this new brand channel. Now we are in Hainan Island, China, Haiku City. So we're discovering this street food behind me. Here's my friend Simo.
Hi guys.
So we
How
are
you
having
doing,
this.
guys?
Yeah. So how are you, man? How are you doing?
So behind us we have like a street food. It's very famous here in in Hainan, especially in Haikou. So welcome guys and
Thank you.
subscribe him. Okay.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. Well, we fell apart just in time.